In this video, we are going to talk about the long-term potential of ICX. Let's jump in. COVID has taken over the world, and suffering is endless in certain parts. Whilst some countries are on the path to recovery, this has expectedly taken a huge toll on the global economy, and the crypto world has not been an exception. Despite all the unfavorable circumstances, Icon seems to have managed to keep calm and carry on at a steady pace. As of today, ICX is at 42 cents. That's still more than 3.7 times the ICO price. We also should recognize the huge potential here, early days for Icon, and an opportunity to rise in the bull run. Even if it reaches the previous all-time high, that's still more than 30 times the current price. That's massive. We did the math, and it adds up. Plus there is staking rewards too. Not a financial advice, but never a better time to buy some ICX. Now let's briefly talk about a company we all know and love. Amazon. We will try to draw a comparison between Icon's price movement till now and Amazon's historical share prices. We will see that how Amazon's share price has progressed over the years. Amazon started trading at around $1.4 in 1997, and by 1999 it hit around $106, which was a whopping 75x in a couple of years. Then it came tumbling down to below $6 around 2001, a drop of 94%. And in 2020 it went up to $3,531, which was an astounding 588 times increase since 2001. Amazon could only do this because its fundamentals were very strong. Now let's look at Icon's price history. Icon started back in 2017 with an initial coin offering of 11 cents. In the bull run of late 2017 to 2018 it reached an all-time high of $12.64, an astounding 110x. It then dropped to 10 cents at the beginning of 2020. At the time of making this video, the price is 42 cents. If it continues to move at this steady pace and hits its all-time high price of $12.64, it will be a staggering 30x from the current price. And considering the very strong fundamentals of Icon, we strongly believe that price of ICX will shoot up much higher in the future. Treat this as a comparison of price movement over time only, and not a financial advice. Now let's introduce the concept of staking. Icon's consensus mechanism is delegated proof of stake. That means you earn rewards in ICX every day for staking your tokens. Icon has one of the highest staking yields out there, with a range between 6 to 36% per annum, currently standing at 12%. If we take into account inflation, it is between 6 to 10%. How it works is that there is a group of communities called PREPs, or public representatives, governing the Icon network, and we are one of them. Just like how you have miners around the world mining Bitcoin blocks, they make sure each transaction on the Icon network goes through smoothly. On top of that, they are also responsible for growing the Icon network by building on it. Some of them are building tools, some get involved in building dApps, while others build communities by creating marketing content. As an ICX holder, you earn rewards by voting for PREPs whom you think best serves the Icon network. Simply vote for the PREPs you think are doing a good job.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon for more valuable Icon information. You can also follow us on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Medium and Instagram at Icon Guide Star.